What's that?
Last a couple cuckolds here. Right on the right shoulder. 80 yards in. Cuckold these.
Billy, you think they're gonna cuckold? Taking a loop here. Right up the cuckold.
This one's gonna get cuckolded.
Yeah, wait for it.
Get him. Marsh.
Right in the cuckold.
Where's the close one?
Right there.
Close one? Mark. Deep. Right here, Cal. Cal, right here. Come here. Cal, right here. Bird. Bring bird here. Right here, Cal. Cal, heel.
Billy, get over here. You give us a breakdown. You give us a breakdown of that shoot.
What happened was we had these fucking ducks coming. They got all cuckolded up like this.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Like this.
Who shot that high one?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll watch the video.
Dude, I don't have a sight. First round didn't go off. Did the old reload. Next thing you know, they're getting cuckolded.
We'll watch Luke work his master dog here.
Yeah. There goes 3 bucks.
What some people don't know is in the AKC hunt test, you actually can throw empty shells to mark your birds.
I just want to let you know that this hunt was sponsored by Lowry's Seasoning. And of course, it's gluten-free for Luke's sake. Dude, those cool balls.
Give him the old Markham cuckold there.
Do you have any,
Any Otis?
yeah, do you?
Any oats?
Yeah, do you?
No, I don't have any oats.
Yeah.
Luke, what happened there?
What?
Just
Hog?
then? Huh?
What do you mean?
Just the last few minutes.
Could you break that down for us?
Oh. Well. No.